Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Maguan. The question for today is from Conasal. Conasal asks, "Hi sir, how will I know if the property I bought has an increase in market value? Is the yearly data available through the developer of the house or the city hall where the property is located? Thanks." There is no definitive database indicating an increase in fair market value of your property. With that, let's first determine what exactly is fair market value. It is simply the price a property would sell for in the open market under normal conditions. There are two general ways to assess the fair market value of your property: comparative market analysis and real estate appraisal. For comparative market analysis, there are several data points that you may use as basis for your estimates, such as the developer's current list price and the selling price of the most comparable properties in the same location. These can be researched online. But if you require a more formal and objective assessment of the property, you can get the services of a licensed real estate appraiser. This is usually done to help the buyer or owner determine the loanable amount or settle any insurance disputes. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me by the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.